Okay, so welcome to the channel again, and today we're going to be doing Euro USD. So I'm welcoming you to the new series of Euro USD analysis. That's Forex analysis. We're going to be doing this series on a daily basis. So we shall be doing some quick analysis about Euro USD on a daily basis. I'll show you whether exactly which trend to take, whether it's a bullish trend or bearish trend, an uptrend or downtrend for every day. Or also shall be showing you which trends you shouldn't take on a daily basis, in a week and in a month. Probably also small intervals like the 12-hour interval, 8-hour interval, and also 4-hour interval. Not forgetting also the 2-hour interval, 1-hour interval, up to at least 30-minute interval. So without wasting time, let's just dive into it. We have Euro USD today. We can first look at the information very quick. Session change, we are heading into a 0.11% change in of course a bullish direction. In 1-day change, we had undergone a downtrend, and now we are trying to bounce back to our feet. 5-hour change interval is actually in an uptrend or a bullish side. 60-minute, that's 1 hour, also in a bullish, but in 1-day change we're still in a negative 0.2% over. Of course, we haven't recovered from this big loss that we had gone through, though we are kind of bouncing back for Euro USD. Okay, so let's go for the news. I think we shall look at news. USD card daily outlook. Pakistan rupee falls to all-time low against USD. Aluminium support. What does that mean for Euro USD? These are very many articles about Euro USD that we're going to be looking up in a couple of minutes. So we shall be looking up on each of these articles in probably in a couple of coming minutes, of course, in the next videos, to see how the news that are trending that kind of affects our graph and the prices, and also, of course, the strength of the currency pairs on the world market. So, looking at the technical analysis, but of course, this technical analysis is actually a new tool that has just been added onto the chart, to the IQ option chart, just of recent, and it's kind of a very good tool to use because it analyzes the pair right from 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days, which is a month. So starting from 1 minute, in 1 minute we see the summary to be a buy. For oscillators, it's a sell, and then for moving average, it's a strong buy. So this is how you see it. Oscillators, it's a complete sell. Looking at the moving average, it's a complete buy, and the summary therefore goes to buy. That's the average. So in 1 minute, you have a buy or a bullish strength. The same applies in 5 minutes, though in 5 minutes a little bit stronger. So we shall be diving into so much about the technical analysis, the economic events, and also the trading conditions. So in this quick tutorial, let's first look at what is going to be transpiring for the rest of the day. So therefore, we shall be interested in 1 month interval plus of course the 1 week interval, and lastly the 1 day interval. First look and see where exactly is the power moving. Okay, in 1 month we still have a complete downtrend. In 7 days, which is a week, we also have a complete downtrend. So you can see that the lower infiltration, which is actually the MACD, has of course has been infiltrated. So you can really see that the infiltration has moved from 1 day, and finally it's catching us up with the 7-day interval. You can see it's already it has already infiltrated the lower segments of the market, meaning that we're kind of gonna be having some uptrend today. Probably I think the whole day. which is not bad. So if you scroll down here, well, the zigzag, the last zigzag in one day was red. So I hope that we shall be seeing a green zigzag by the end of the day coming to support this market here. You can see there's a very good infiltration in one day, green infiltration in one day. So if at all the zigzag comes, it will be in support on the trend, and finally we'll be heading into an uptrend. So for today we have a force that is pulling us up, though it's not a guaranteed force. It's not so much. So for today it's kind of not a very good trading day for people who deal with big intervals, but for people who deal with small intervals of about 12 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours, we can still trade, of course, as you know. We have 1 day 12 hour interval and also 8 hour interval. So looking at the 12 hour interval, we have already a green zigzag already coming into action. So we are kind of having some big force moving up, but on top of that we kind of have another trend that is actually starting down here, which is a downtrend. You can see there are some red infiltrations into the green solid market, meaning that they're kind of fighting with the green market, so they want to pull it down into a bearish trend, but that hasn't happened. So probably the prices or the market hasn't decided where exactly to move. So we're going to be waiting for a more couple of hours for a concrete decision to be made, and we shall be making that decision. So we're going to be making some more analysis about Euro USD, probably a couple of hours. Of course, a minimum of 4 hours. We shall be making another analysis to see how far or how the trends will be working out. So I'll be making another analysis, but for today it's kind of more clear, has a very big uptrend that is really taking it. Also the downtrend is still taking on roll. So we have kind of have a balanced power, and when you have a balanced power in a balanced power market, it kind of becomes very tricky if you want to take very big profits. So you find that you can only take small profits every time you enter a trade. So for this video, that's all we had for today. We shall be of course airing in the next upcoming video. I'll be talking about more about the technical analysis and how to use it. It's actually the ultimate tool. It's the best tool that you could ever use here. Let me show you the technical analysis again. Of information. This is a very good tool to use, and I'm going to be making a very good video about this technical analysis. So stay put, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos, for more of course technical analysis, and for more free advice and more analysis on a daily basis. And also I'll be giving out this strategy for free, so whoever wants the strategy, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and just get prepared. I will be airing the script or the free codes embedded in this strategy for you guys to use. So that's all guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.